This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor on Tuesday, June 16th. We have a lot to cover today, but I'll try to be succinct. The market gave back a little of yesterday's rally. The markets ended mixed with the Dow at a record. However, there's been some rotation out of tech into cyclicals after this U.S.-Iran peace deal. And on Wednesday, we have the Fed's first meeting with Warsh as the federal Fed chair. The other bit of housekeeping, I'd like to ask you to participate in a poll. I'm planning to upgrade my audio setup. It's been almost 700 podcast episodes, and I kind of want to improve the polish. So I want to focus on things like background noise, reverb, and potential plosives with words that have P's or B's. So rate the audio quality thus far. A 0 is paper cups with strings communicating back and forth. A 3 sounds like a walkie-talkie. A 5 is like a traditional Zoom video conference call. 7, a Bluetooth voice call on your phone. Or it's a 10, don't change a thing. I appreciate that in advance. So, as a summary of the day, outside of the Fed chair anticipation for the first FOMC decision on Wednesday, financials and industrials led the gains today. Oil prices fell roughly 5% after the peace discussions, which still needs to be signed, by the way. JP Morgan rose 3%, while 3M and Visa also advanced. The semiconductor index fell roughly 5% today, negating some of yesterday's move. And SpaceX has gained 4.8% after some wild swings pre-market and overnight last night. U.S. housing starts dropped 15% in May to the weakest point since the COVID lockdowns. That's not great news. And U.S. import prices increased hotter than expected, up 1.9%, adding to that inflation concern heading into the FOMC decision. Looking at breadth, we had 173 new highs versus 150 new lows, 41% advanced versus 53% declined, 49% below their 50-day moving average, and 51% below their 200-day moving average. There were 23 profitable NASDAQ companies making new session highs.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.